Let's solve some problems. First one, what mass of sodium hydroxide is in 380 milliliters of 0.5 m sodium hydroxide solution? Molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40 grams. What mass of sodium hydroxide is in 380 milliliters of 0.5 m sodium hydroxide solution? Here we can use the formula of molarity M equals N divided by V. This is the formula. M equals N divided by V. Molarity. Units of molarity are mole per liters. N number of moles of solute. V volume of solution in liters. Here we have been given 380 milliliters, but according to this formula we can't use milliliters. We have to convert this 380 milliliters to liters. 380 milliliters divided by 1000, we get 0.38 liters. We know molarity 0.5 m 0.5 mole per liters. We know volume. Now we found it in liters. 0.38 liters. Now we can substitute these values to formula. But using this formula we can find number of moles because we know m. Molarity we know volume. Now we can find n number of moles. But here we have been asked mass of sodium hydroxide. First we have to find number of moles of sodium hydroxide, then we can find the mass of sodium hydroxide. Now let's substitute these values to our formula. 0.5 mole per liters equals N divided by 0.38 liters. Liters, we can cancel out units. .5 mole equals N divided by 0.38. We have to find number of moles first. Therefore, we have to isolate N on the right hand side of the formula. Then 0.38 goes to the left hand side. 0.5 mole times 0.38 equals N. 0.19 mole of sodium hydroxide, number of moles. Now we have found number of moles of sodium hydroxide 0.19, but this is not our main answer. Now we have to find mass of the sodium hydroxide. We know molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. That means 1 mole of sodium hydroxide weighs 40 grams. One mole of sodium hydroxide weighs 40 grams. Then the weight of 0.19 mole of sodium hydroxide. How to find it? 40 grams divided by 1 mole times 0.19 mole. We can cancel out units, moles. Answer is 7.6 grams sodium hydroxide. The mass of sodium hydroxide is 7.6 grams sodium hydroxide. There's another way to find this answer. Number of moles times molar mass equals mass. Number of moles, we found number of moles 0.19 mole. We know molar mass of sodium hydroxide 40. 0.19 mole times 40 gram per moles equals mass. We can cancel out mole. Answer is 7.6 gram. The mass of sodium hydroxide is 7.6 grams. Now let's go to the next one. How much of 2.5 m sulfuric acid is required to make 0.15 mole sulfuric acid? How much of 2.5 m sulfuric acid is required to make 0.15 mole sulfuric acid? Here also we can use the formula of molarity M equals N divided by V. But volume V is the denominator. Volume V is the denominator. In this way we can't find the answer. Therefore we have to rearrange the formula in this way. MV equals M times V equals N. Now we should divide both sides of the formula by M because we need to keep V alone on the left hand side of the formula. M times V divided by M equals N divided by M, because we have to divide both sides of the formula by M. Then on the left hand side we can cancel out M. Now we have left only V on the left hand side. Now we have left only V on the left hand side. V volume equals N divided by M. We know number of moles 0.15. We know molarity 2.5. 0.15 mole divided by 2.5 mole per liters. We can cancel out mole. I haven't marked it. Answer is 0.06 liters. Volume 0.06 liters. Please subscribe our channel, then you can get new videos as soon as they are released. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.